got milk on your leg. That milk? Yeah. Where's your nose? Ezekiel, where's your nose? Look, where's your nose? Good boy. Ew, okay. Where's your head? Zeke, where's your head? Look, where's your head? Your head? Show me your head. Head. That's your nose. Where's your head? Where's your head? Uh-oh, you drop him. Where's your head? Just show me, please. I want to know. Is this your head? Where is it? Sit down. Sit down. No climbing on the table. Say hi. Hi. You're a cutie. Can you tell everybody you love them? Yeah, you love them, huh? Where's your head? Yeah. You know where your head is. Here, sit down. Be a good boy. Sit down. Show me your head. Look, you know how to do it. Stop it. Head. Where's your head? Oh, you're a little cutie. Can I see all those chompers?
Hi.
And let me see in the mouth. Ah. Ah. Look. No. Oh, don't get mad. You know you can't have the phone. Yeah. Hey, chubby cheeks. Mucho cereal? Can you say, uh-oh? Look at me. Cheeks, say, uh-oh. Oh, yeah? All right, spider monkey. Not climbing on the table. Sit. No. You done with breakfast?